The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Natural remedies and holistic practices can support overall wellness, but they are never guaranteed cures or treatments. Everything shared here is meant to help you make informed, responsible decisions about your health. Now here's the shocking truth most people never hear. You could be taking vitamin D every single day and still missing out on the benefits entirely. Not because of the dose, not because of the brand, but because of timing. And that one mistake silently sabotages millions of people. Jennifer from California learned this after months of unexplained fatigue. She followed the label perfectly, took her vitamin D daily, and still felt drained. What no one told her was that when you take vitamin D can matter just as much as taking it at all. Vitamin D plays a critical role in maintaining overall health. It supports strong bones, boosts immune defenses, and even helps regulate mood. Yet many people overlook the timing of their vitamin D intake, even though that single factor can dramatically influence how effective it is. In this video, we're uncovering the worst times to take vitamin D supplements so you can finally get the full benefits your body is capable of using. Understanding timing isn't optional. Taking vitamin D at the wrong moment can reduce absorption, disrupt sleep, and leave you frustrated when results never show up. Once you understand these mistakes, everything starts to click. And later in this video, we'll reveal the one timing error almost everyone makes without realizing it. Before we move on, remember to check the description below for your next must-watch video if you're serious about improving your health journey. Let's dive into step 1. How timing affects vitamin D absorption. David from Colorado used to take his supplement first thing in the morning with coffee and no food. Months later, his lab results barely changed. The problem wasn't consistency, it was absorption. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, which means your body needs dietary fat to absorb it properly. Without fat, much of the supplement passes through unused. Timing with meals matters more than most people realize. Your body also has natural rhythms. Vitamin D production from sunlight peaks around midday, which influences how your body processes supplements. Consistency helps stabilize levels and prevents unnecessary fluctuations. Master this foundation, because it sets the stage for the mistakes we're about to expose next. Now let's talk about the worst times to take vitamin D. Amanda from Illinois thought nighttime was convenient. She took her vitamin D right before bed and couldn't figure out why her sleep became lighter and more restless. No one warned her that vitamin D can influence circadian rhythms. Taking vitamin D on an empty stomach is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Absorption drops significantly without food, especially fat. Late-night dosing can interfere with sleep quality. Certain medications, including cholesterol-related drugs, can also block absorption when taken at the wrong time. These mistakes create a frustrating cycle where people think supplements don't work. That frustration leads perfectly into the next step. And before we continue, hit subscribe and like so you never miss life-changing health tips that can quietly transform how you feel every day. Step 3 is all about food pairing. Ryan from Texas changed one simple habit. He started taking vitamin D with meals that included healthy fats like eggs and olive oil. Within weeks, his energy improved and his levels finally rose. Healthy fats dramatically improve vitamin D absorption. On the flip side, taking vitamin D with very high fiber meals can slow absorption if fiber intake is excessive at the same time. The solution is simple. Pair vitamin D with a balanced meal that includes fats, ideally earlier in the day. This small adjustment unlocks benefits many people never experience. If you want to go deeper, check the description below for your next must-watch video that builds on this strategy. Step 4 focuses on seasonal changes. Chris from Washington felt great in summer, but struggled every winter. Less sunlight meant less natural vitamin D production, yet his supplement routine stayed the same. Winter months reduce sun exposure, especially in northern regions. Geographic location heavily influences how much vitamin D your body can produce naturally. Seasonal testing and adjustments help prevent deficiencies from quietly returning year after year. Step 5 looks at lifestyle factors most people ignore. Kevin from Florida had inconsistent sleep and high stress. Even with supplements, his vitamin D levels stayed low. Stress hormones and poor sleep disrupt nutrient metabolism more than most people realize. Establishing consistent sleep and supplement routines creates stability your body thrives on. Personalized guidance can help align vitamin D timing with your lifestyle instead of working against it. Step 6 is remembering to take vitamin D correctly. Emily from Nevada struggled until she paired her supplement with lunch every day. No guessing, no missed doses. Phone reminders, habit stacking, and pill organizers remove friction and create consistency. Consistency turns intention into results. As we wrap up, let's recap. Timing, food pairing, lifestyle, and seasons all determine whether vitamin D actually works for you. Small changes create powerful transformations in energy, immunity, and overall well-being. If you're ready to keep going, check the description below for your next must-watch video that takes this knowledge even further. Discover your next breakthrough waiting below. Check the description for the must-watch video that continues your health journey. Thank you for watching.